This video will describe the important numbers in a mobile system. The four numbers are as follows: Icc Id, Imei, MSISDN, Imei. So let's look at the first AT command, which is AT plus CCID ? This AT command is used to retrieve the Icc Id, or Integrated Circuit Card Identifier, from the SIM. The Icc Id is stored in the SIM. The Icc Id is used to identify each SIM internationally. This number is also inscribed on the back of the SIM card. The second command is AT plus CIMI. This AT command is used to read the Imei, or International Mobile Subscriber Identity. Imei is stored inside the SIM, and this number belongs to the operator. It consists of three parts. The first part is MCC, or Mobile Country Code, which is the first 3 digits. The second part is MNC, or Mobile Network Code, which is the next 2 or 3 digits. The last is the MSID, or Mobile Station ID, comprising of the remaining digits. The combination of the MCC and MNC allows the provider to know the country and network that a SIM belongs to. The third command is AT plus CNUM. This AT command gives MSISDN, which is the subscriber phone number. It helps in identifying the user. This number may or may not be stored in the SIM. This number also doesn't belong to the operator or SIM, but only to the user, so that the user can move freely from one operator to another. The operator has a table to link Imei of a SIM with the MSISDN of a user. The last command is AT plus CGSN. This AT command is used to read the IMEI, which is International Mobile Equipment Identity. This is not stored in the SIM, but in the device itself. Operators identify valid devices like mobiles or modems via IMEI. This helps them to stop non-valid or stolen devices like phones to stop working on their network. Now you will see some examples on how to retrieve these numbers. Here you can see the terminal connected to a module. This is the Sierra Wireless HL7802 module. In the next step, type AT plus CCID ? The Icc Id number of the SIM appears. When you look at the SIM, or the back of it, you will see this number printed. This is a good way to identify the SIM that your device is connected to, especially in systems with more than one SIM. Remember that if you destroy or lose the SIM, the number dies with it. This number is unique and belongs to a particular SIM. In this step, type AT plus CIMI. It retrieves the Imei, which is the International Mobile Subscriber Identity. This is the Imei of the SIM, and this value is important because it needs to be notified to the network every time a user moves to a different country or network location. In the next step, you have to type AT plus CNUM. But it might not show or retrieve anything because the MSISDN, or the phone number, might not be stored in the SIM. Operators often do that. As already discussed, this number belongs only to the user. Now the last step, where you have to type AT plus CGSN. It gives the IMEI number, which is the physical identity of a modem or phone that you're using. That is the end of the walkthrough. And now you know about the 4 important numbers in a mobile system. For queries or questions, please contact your local FAE.